Hey explorers, today is my last day in Dubrovnik, Croatia, and I'm starting the day off by walking the city wall with my friends Wale and KP. The wall is over 6,000 feet in length, which you can walk. It's a great exercise. Just be prepared, there's not much shade up there, so in the height of the summer it can be really hot. And the wall was originally built in ancient times to protect the city from attacks. The cannon? As walking to lunch on this day, I ran into a live performance outside of the cathedral, right in the middle of the old city, within the walls. An excellent performance, a traditional performance. For the last thing I did before I headed to the airport to head back to Istanbul, I decided to take a boat ride in the Adriatic Sea to get different views of Dubrovnik. Thank you explorers so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you are aware of the next videos that are coming out on my channel. Also, stay tuned to next week as I start my journey through Istanbul, Turkey.